Hi guys, it's Miss T, and I wanted to let you in on a little secret for my littles that are local to our area. Charleston County Library, South Carolina. I found these bags. So I did some research and I have rented our first one. So in these bags, you can put them on hold. There, I think maybe 15 or 20 of them, but the local libraries all have them and you can put them on hold. And each bag is unique. Some come with games, some come with puzzles, some come with puppets, but they all come with a stack of books. So we have several in this bag. This particular bag comes with a story felt. You can see some of the felt pieces that comes with this one. It's a huge kit that comes with several different things. Here is a cool puzzle, some hand-eye coordination, basic skills board puzzle. There's got to be like 8 to 10 books in each bag. And then you get this cool little folder. And in the folder, it's kind of, if you're a teacher or have any teacher background, this will be very easy for you, but it's very easy for parents as well. There are some little card tags that have little songs that go with it. It has some instructions. It also has our information, our brochures with the dial story. I've uploaded that before. Some different brochures for different digital resources for your children. Free books by mail, the information again with our 1,000 books before kindergarten, and then there's kind of a checkoff list of what should be in the kit and how to use it. So I thought these were really cool when I discovered them, and we've decided that we're going to keep checking them out one bag at a time. Now I'm told that most of the bags are on waiting list for people, so I put 2 on hold. You can only check 1 out at a time, but you could check it out and keep it for at least a week or 2. I think the limit is 2 weeks. They already have my next bag on hold, so I'm gonna get Caleb started on reading these books so we can swap them out for the next bag and activities. But I wanted to share with you that these bags are available at our local libraries, so stop in, put one on hold for your kids, and have some more activities other than just the books. It's really cool. All right, guys. Happy reading. Thanks.